Hello everyone, in this video we are going to go through JavaScript array methods, converting arrays to strings. And let's come in here and type script tag, and within a script tag I'm gonna type const fruits equals square bracket, and I'm gonna add in here couple of fruits: banana, orange, comma, apple, quotes, comma, and mango, quotes. And then I'm gonna console log our array, hit save, and in Chrome DevTools console tab we have got this array. Let me increase or zoom out a bit. Alright, so this is what we have, an array of fruits, and now we can convert it to a string just by coming here and type dot to string parenthesis, hit save, and we got a string of this array. We have got another method which is join, but there is a little difference between toString and join, that join also receives an argument of separator. Just come in here and type, say you want to separate your elements with hyphen, hit save. Now we got hyphen between all of the elements. Now let's remove an item from an array. Just come in here and type pop method and hit save. Now we got mango. Now this pop not only removes last element from an array but also returns the deleted element of an array. And now if I come in here and console log fruits again, hit save, we got this array: banana, orange, and apple. We don't have mango in this array now because pop actually removes the last element from an array. Now let's come in and add element to our existing array, and for this I'm gonna come in here and type push method, and let's come in here and add an element, say kiwi, hit save, and now we got an array with 5 elements and kiwi is added here. Now if you want to remove the first element of an array, just come in here and type shift, and let's remove this argument from here, hit save. Now we got orange, apple, and mango. It has removed the first element, which is banana, from this array and shifts all of the extra elements to the lower index. Now if you want to add a new element to an array, in the beginning just come in here and type unshift, and the name of the element should be, let's say, lemon, hit save. Now we have got lemon added in the beginning because here in fruits array we have got banana at 0 position, but after unshift lemon we have got lemon at 0 position, and rest of the elements are moved to the higher indices. Now there's another method to append a new element to an array. Just come in here and type fruits square bracket fruits dot length equals, say, kiwi. Hit save, and we have got kiwi added to our array. You can delete any of the element of an array with the delete keyword. Just come in here and type delete fruits 0 element, and I'm gonna comment out this line of code for now. Hit save, and the element is removed, but it leaves holes in an array. Now we have got another method that can be used to add new items to an array. Just come in here, and I'm gonna delete this line from here, and I'm gonna uncomment this line of code from here, and just come in here and type fruits dot splice, and a splice actually receives two arguments. First argument where new element should be added, and the second parameter defines how many elements should be removed. The rest of the parameters define the new elements to be added. Say I want to add a new parameter to the second position, which is, say, 0, 1 and 2. To this position I'm gonna add new elements. So here I will type 2 comma, and the second parameter defines how many elements should be removed. Say I don't want to remove any of the element from here, and I'm gonna add here lemon and kiwi under quotes. And now if I hit save, we have got banana, orange, lemon, kiwi, apple and mango. Now you can also use splice to remove an element from an array. Just come in here and type, say, 0 comma 1. Hit save, and see, we don't have banana anymore in this list because this is the position where we want to add an element, and this is the parameter or argument to let me increase the size of our editor, and this is the number that you wanna remove the items from the list. So in this case I just want to remove one item from 0 position. That's why it removed banana from this array. Now let's discuss about merging of arrays. Say I'm gonna add another array here, const, say let's type in here fruits 2 equals cherry quotes comma and pineapple. Now come in here and just type in here fruits dot concat, and I'm gonna remove these arguments from here and type in here fruits 2. And let me comment out this line of code. Hit save, and now you see we have got merged elements of these two arrays: banana, orange, apple, mango, cherry, pineapple. Let's come in here and type fruits dot slice parenthesis and the beginning index of the specified portion of the array. Say I want to slice it from apple 0, 1 and 2. Just type in here 2 and let's console log fruits 2. Hit save, and in the fruits 2 array we have got two values, apple and mango, because we have sliced this array fruits from 0, 1, 2 from this position onwards, and it shifted all of these elements to this array. And that was all about for now. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.